From the greenhouse, a natural Gardner's blend of purest plant extract, soothing therapeutic oatmeal, and super emollient shea butter form a systemic barrier. Hand repair. Our product moisturizes, heals dry and damaged skin, while protecting from nature's harsh elements. Special formula. A specially formulated Alpha-Hydroxy Fruit Acid Complex gently smooths away and minimizes the appearance of skin's roughness. How to use. Massage liberally all over the hand. It's like wearing a liquid glove that heals and preserves skin while protecting against future environmental damage. Use every day, year-round to promote softer, smoother, younger-looking hands. Also works on other dry parts of your body. Serving you. This product is animal cruelty-free. This product has the finest ingredients within. Perfect gift for friends and family. Top reviews from the United States. My absolute favorite moisturizer, love the feel and scent. Love everything about this product. Lightly scented, refreshing. Goes on smoothly and is not greasy. A little goes a long way. Does a great job softening all of my skin.